Hey everyone, this is our Game Over Sounds car horn. This is our wireless version. It comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remote controls if you want, but it does come with one remote control. So it's really easy to hook up. Your black wire comes from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. Could be your battery, just anywhere you got a good ground source. And your red wire comes from your horn will go to a 12-volt power source. Could be your battery, your fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12-volt power source. So we've got this horn facing down because it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. So this is our Game Over wireless sounds car horn.